guys? This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered Belch King. That's right. I'm no longer the four-fingered fabulous freak. Nah. Thanks to my number one fan, Squid, who renamed me the fabulous four-fingered Belch King. That's right. I wonder why. Now, guys, as you've seen in my last video, I named Squid and Ellipsis my two top fans of all time, and they both won prizes. And I rewatched that video recently, and I thought to myself, freak, there's two things wrong here. Number one, I never, ever realized that Dr. Pepper is so great for belching. And number two, even more important, Squid, Ellipsis, what the hell are you guys doing? You guys won your prizes, and you never, ever left me your email. How the hell am I supposed to send you your shit if you don't even give me your email so that I can get in touch with you? Touch you. Anyway, so, guys, don't forget, Ellipsis, Squid, get in touch with me, guys. I want to send you your shit. Now, for today's video, that's right, I'm going to drink this whole damn bottle of Dr. Pepper, and we're going to count together how many burps, how many belches I can pull out of this thing. All right, guys? And next week, I'm going to have a brand new taste test of Mountain Dew Baja Blast. All right, guys. So, here we go. Let the fun begin. All right, let's go. Toasty for pussy. One. Now, I ain't gonna do a review of Dr. Pepper like I do a review of Mountain Dew and other sodas because, you know, everybody in the world has had Dr. Pepper. Everybody knows how it tastes and all that. It's just that I had never, ever realized how great Dr. Pepper is for belching. Definitely better than that Mountain Dew Pitch Black. Yeah, that was bad. Anyway. Two. Three. What is that? 4, 5, 6. 6 starts with the same letter as Squid. The freak is so smart. The freak is so smart. I know the alphabet by heart, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not even halfway through, guys. That's crazy. What are we up to now? 10? 11? Oh, 11? That starts with the same letter as ellipsis. That one was for you, ellipsis. 12. 13. Yep. 14. Dr. Pepper, 16, is definitely the number one. Number one. 17. Best soda if you want to belch, baby. And it tastes so damn good. Like Captain Spaulding would say. What are we at now? 17? 18? 19? 20! Yeah, baby. 20. And I'm at just barely halfway through. So we should get up to 40. 40! Hey, that's a good idea. I'm so smart. The freak. 21. The freak wants to reach 40 big belches in one bottle of Dr. Pepper. Then the doctor would become King Pepper. Just like I'm the fabulous four-fingered Belch King, baby. What are we at now? I lost count. Is that 21 or 22? I forgot. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. Yeah. 27. 28. 29. 30. 10 left. 10 left. Guys, am I going to make it? We shall see. 10 left, eh? Oh, uh-oh. That's 31. Which means 40 minus 31 equals 9. Oh, 32. That was 32, guys. 8 left with this. That's going to be easy, baby. Easy. Yeah. 33. 34. 35. Oh, yeah. 36. 37. We're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it. 38. 39. It's pussy looking good. 40! Guys! 41! That was fun. That was cool. I loved it. The fabulous four-fingered Belch King officially states that Dr. Pepper is the number one soda on the whole goddamn planet as far as belching goes. The burp factor, the belch factor, call it what you will. This is guy's number one ever. All right, and that's it for today's video. Guys, don't forget what I said. Ellipsis, squid. Hey, get in touch with me, guys. Next video next week. Baja Blast. We'll see if this beats the Dr. Pepper as far as the belch factor goes. No way, guys. No way. I don't think so. What are we not? 44? 44! Thanks, Dr. Pepper. Yeah.